Another episode of Mr. J's Workshop. Uh, I thought because of this time of the year with Christmas and Thanksgiving is the most busiest time for traveling, is to make a simple luggage tag in BambuStudio and add text to that luggage tag and add a slot for your lanyard to attach to your luggage. So let's get started. Let's open up Bamboo Studios. First thing we're going to do is we're going to right click on the plate, add a cube. We're going to resize this by using the scale tool. Make sure this uniform scale is unchecked so you can specify the sizes that you'd like your luggage tag to be. So my luggage tag is going to be 98 millimeters by 44 millimeters by 4 millimeters thick. And that looks pretty good. Click on the luggage tag. Now we can add the text. I'm going to use Robo Black 18 point. Thickness is going to be 2 millimeters. Where it says embedded depth on my computer, it's hard to see. I'm going to make this 2 millimeters. Add my text. There's my text. I'm going to drag it over here. Now you can eyeball this to where you would like it to be eye pleasing on your luggage tag. I'm going to measure mine in just a moment. So I'm just going to place it. I'm going to go to the left here where it says text shape. I'm going to right mouse click on text shape. I'm going to change my font to change my filament to black. And there got my text in black. So I'm going to click on the luggage tag again, and I'm going to add just one more text. Change the font, the size of the font, leave the thickness alone, embed it 2 millimeters, just like the other one, and we're going to say workshop. Just eyeball it here for right now. I'm going to reposition that in a moment. Going to go to the left of the screen under text shape, and I'm going to change the filament to black. Okay, now I'm just going to look at this closely and make some adjustments. All right, so I'm going to go to the left side of the screen. I'm going to select Mr. J, and I'm going to go to move. I'm going to move it over -5 millimeters, and I'm going to move it up 7 millimeters, and I'm going to leave the 2 millimeters alone. I'm going to go back to the left side of the screen and select the workshop. I'm going to move that also a -5 millimeters so they're centered. And I'm going to move it down 7 millimeters by adding a negative number. I'm going to leave the 2 millimeters alone. And we'll see what that looks like. I like that, so I'm going to go with that. Now I'm going to select the luggage tag again. I'm going to say slice. I'm going to say slice at 3 millimeters. I'm going to say keep the lower part, and I'm going to say perform the cut. All right, so we got our luggage tag, we got the text, and now all we have to do is add the slot for the lanyard to tie into. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to click on the luggage tag, right click, add a negative part, select cube, and you can disregard this here. It's just some information about the object box. We could talk about that at another time. Now that we got the cube here, you can eyeball this also, but I'm going to precisely measure it. So I want to scale this, and I'm going to say 4 millimeters wide by 20 millimeters long. And we're just going to say 5 millimeters tall. I just want to make sure it goes through the luggage tag, and it's not there. I could I'll move that by hitting move. First, I'm going to position it. I'm going to say 44 millimeters. We're going to say 0 here to keep it on center of the plate. And then for Z, I want it to be on the plate, so I'm going to say 0. And now it's on the plate. Oh, what I wanted to do was I wanted to rotate this luggage tag so the lettering is sitting on the plate itself. I like the finish of the texture plate on my luggage tag, so I'm going to rotate. I'm going to rotate my tag so it sits on the plate. And if that worked out right, it's on the bottom now. So the only thing now to do is say slice, and there it is. And if you liked everything here, then you would just send it to the printer. So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Comment below. I'd really like to get your thoughts of your bamboo experience. This is all still new to me, and anything I learn, I'm going to pass it on to you. Have a great holiday. We'll catch you next time.